folks. This week's Google Sheets tip is all about the drop-down menu. Google Sheets is such a great tool and can be used for so many different things, especially for data collection. One thing I like to use it for, though, is to-do lists. And you can see that I've created a to-do list right here. I've formatted the cells by highlighting a few and merging them together. I also added some color to a background, and I've bolded some of my text here. Now, you can see that I've created a list of action items. I also have one drop-down as an example with different status of that particular item, and then some notes. So you can customize any to-do list, any rubric, any Google Sheet that will help you with workflow and keeping information organized. So let me show you how I created this to-do list. Now here I can click on a cell, and if I right-click on it, I have this option to create the drop-down. From here, the drop-down can really look and contain whatever it is that you're hoping for. So for me, I have incomplete, and I'm going to put that in red. I have a partially completed status, and I'm going to put that in yellow, and then I'm going to add another item, and that'll be green for when something is completed. Now, again, I can add other items. I can make things even more customized. So for example, currently it's the chip method, but I can make it an arrow if I wanted it to be a little bit more subtle. I'm going to press done there and show you the difference right here. So you can see that the arrow highlights the entire cell. The complete, incomplete is just a chip or that little circle or oval shape. And then I can continue to add to that. If I wanted to drop this down here, I can drag all the way down and continue that drop down feature right here. And I can continue to play with and add a status to my different activities of the day. I'm going to link this in the notes. So if you want to create a copy of this or customize your own, you're more than welcome to do so. But drop-downs are just a really cool feature that gives you a lot of flexibility in organizing your information and creating that custom look.